Hey traders, let's take a look at a trade that I took on gold on my evaluation and live account. So here we can see that price came down to the 1 hour bullish order block and retraced to the extent where I drew my 4 hour bullish order block. So afterwards, price came up and gave us a change of character. So I went down to the low time frame, right? And here we can see that price has created London highs and lows. And with regards to the Asian session, the Asian highs got taken out by the London high, right? And so we are left with the Asian low resting below, right? So right now we are at this point in time, right? Price action. So I waited for price to take out London low inside this 1 hour bullish order block, right? And yeah, I was worried that price could on a 1 hour time frame, right? Price could be chased even deeper, right? Because we have another 1 hour bullish order block here, right? And yeah, the 15-minute bullish order block also coincides with this 1 hour bullish order block. So we have to wait for further confirmations on whether price is going to head upwards or downwards, right? So since we're on the 1 hour bullish order block, right, we'll be looking on the 5 minute, right? So on the 5 minute time frame, as we take out London lows, we'll be targeting London highs, right? And yeah, there was a change of character. So after this change of character, right? Yeah, after this, because on 5 minutes, you see there's a lot of imbalances, so it's hard to determine the direction. Right? So you just wait for London low to be taken out from this consolidation phase, right? As you can see, there's consolidation, manipulation of London lows, and then a change of character retest before an expansion, right? Or they say distribution, right? So, anyways, yeah, after price did a change of character, right? It didn't retest the five minute bullish order block instantly, right? It just came up and sweep all this sell side liquidity, sorry, buy side liquidity, and it didn't touch the London highs. So as it came down and touched the 5 minute bullish order block, right, then that's where we look up for trades, right? But we couldn't enter just yet. Yeah. So okay, main reason is because of this 5 minute bearish fair value gap that got created. So price can just come up to the order block and just reject downwards from it, right? Because now the bias is bearish, right? So we have to wait for some signs of bullishness. So here I see that there's a 5 minute bullish fair value gap created. Means this is a sharp turn, right? A sharp turn is created, which means that there was liquidity swept at the bottom, right? Which followed price up and it left this inefficiency, right? And afterwards, it gave us it gave us a third candle rejection, right? But price didn't, as you can see, price didn't hit downwards to the order block or fair value gap, right? It just shot upwards. Right? So how I entered is I didn't wait for any retracement to the bullish fair value gap or order block. Right? I just waited for the the 5 minute bearish fair value gap to be inversed. Right? So as it got inversed, I entered for a trade. Okay, so yeah, I entered somewhere around here. After price inversed and retraced a bit, that's where I entered. Right? At exactly this point. And my stop loss was below this 5 minute bullish order block. Right? Tentatively, it could be below the 50% of this long wick, right? But I choose to put it below the 5 minute bullish order block right here. There's another 5 minute bullish order block here, right? Yeah. So you put it down there. And we targeted um, London London side, right? A little bit higher to London side, right? And as I was looking at this trade, right, as I exit, because I also thought that price will also head towards this place, right? That's my initial thought, but uh, I was getting tired, so I decided to exit here. And also I saw that price was like a bit choppy here, so yeah, I decided to um, take full profits here. It's very hard for me to do SL to B and take partials because my lot sizing so it's so small, so it's very hard to do um, taking partials and SL to B